select your video image and then just go to video. And then you have here this option to auto removal. Now, if there's something specifically you want to remove, you can also click on custom removal, which works pretty well for video and for image as well. Just use smart eraser to remove something that you don't want. And then you can just apply. And here's the result. And then we have, we can put the image on top, the one we removed the background. If we hide this, we can see, and then we can just go and add right over here and add the text. Okay, now it's not behind this object. So what you can do to add it behind the object is, first I want to extend this for the entire video and put it behind your background, your video that you just cropped. Remove the background and the one at the bottom, which is the image or the video.